Good morning.
We officially made it to Disney World.
Kind of.
Kind of.
So this morning we're actually at the Rivera Resort, if you guys don't recognize what's behind us.
Yeah, it's so beautiful.
We are going to be heading up to Topolino'S Terrace to have breakfast this morning.
I'm so excited to see Minnie.
I'm excited to eat.
Me too.
So we'll see you guys up there.
Those are so cool.
I love those.
I want a little sculpture Donald.
The man, the myth, the legend. So the nice waiter brought us some juice.
Cheers, Graham. Wonderful day. So far, I give this place a 10.
Ooh, that's good.
That's way good.
It says, you said it was orange, passion fruit, and guava. That's way good.
It reminds me of that Donald drink we got.
A little bit.
Yeah, it's very good.
From the dollar store?
Yeah. I love it. Now time to look at the menu.
Sculptor in residence, Signore Donald Duck.
Alright, they brought us this little basket of pastries to share and they look amazing.
And it smells so good.
Alright.
I don't know what this is.
Give it a try. Is it good?
Really good.
What is it? Is it apple? Alright, let's give other ones a try. Okay, I'm gonna try it. Whoa.
It's really good.
It tastes like maple syrupy.
Yeah, I don't know. I think it's like a caramelized apple something or other, but it is delicious. How's your croissant?
Very croissanty.
And Zoe got the French pressed coffee.
Because it's a French restaurant. Me and Grandma are sharing the French press for 2.
And I'm gonna enjoy this little tasty petite.
That's so cute. It's
The
the cutest little cupcake.
muffin petito.
A muffin petito, please. Okay, what do you rate this place so far? All you've gotten is little pastries and some drinks.
25.
25, that's pretty good. I would have to say I rated a zillion out of 10. All right, we got our food. What did you order?
A sour cream waffle with something
Chantilly.
Something sausage.
It looks amazing. All right, let's give it a taste test. That was fancy.
All right, let's go with this bite right here.
Okay.
Maybe.
How is it?
That's delicious.
How delicious?
Like, the waffle is so buttery and crispy on the outside but fluffy on the inside. The apple is like perfectly caramelized, and this stuff, I think it's whipped cream, but it's really good. And the syrup is delicious.
I'm gonna try to be as fancy as you.
Good luck.
Ooh, yeah, no, I totally messed that up. Okay, I'm excited to try these. They look so yummy. And it has raspberries. I love raspberries.
That might be the best waffle I've ever tasted. Ever?
Wow, and you're like a waffle connoisseur, honestly.
Attenzione, my friend! A poet's job is never done. For as long as there is beauty to capture through their words, they must
It has like orange
continue to
chantilly,
write.
and I can taste the orange.
Searching for
with the raspberry
experiences
and the
to
waffle.
inspire her pen.
It's so good. Conclusion about Topolino's Terrace.
I'm having the best day of my life, and all I've done is come to breakfast. Okay, not really the best day of my life, but
Yeah. I mean,
it's been so great. I love this place. I would eat here a million times again. The food, excellent. Service, great. The characters, cute. What more could you ask for?
that pretty much sums it up. I don't have anything else to say.
We're out in the rain.
Yes,
Live.
we're up on the terrace.
Live from the top floor.
And wow, the view is stunning.
Oh my gosh,
even in the
it's
rain.
so amazing. I wish I could see it at night because I'm sure there's just like lights everywhere from all the resorts.
Yeah,
But it's absolutely amazing up here. We
it's
love
beautiful. I mean, you just have to take it in
Yeah.
because it is beautiful,
It
even though
really
it's
is.
raining.
It's great.
Definitely come to Topolino's Terrace. I
Oh
would
my gosh.
highly recommend it.
it. I knew it was gonna be great, but I think it's my favorite meal we've ever done.
It's definitely worth the hype. That's
was
all
so
I'm
good.
saying.
Worth
Like,
the
it
money,
is
worth the
so
hype. It was
delicious.
amazing.
The view's amazing, the food's amazing, the service was amazing.
The characters.
The Riviera
they're so
itself is
cute.
gorgeous.
Yeah, it was
so
great.
definitely come and enjoy yourselves here for
Yes,
sure.
we loved it.
So let's head to Hollywood Studios. We're on Zoe's favorite ride of all time.
Sorry, my mask was a little too tight. It was bothering me. Yeah, we're about to ride the Skyline in Hollywood Studios. And we're
Here we go.
go.
Off to Neverland.
I love this.
We made it.
We rode the Skyline and it was so fun.
And the rain is coming down.
I know, it just hit me in the eyeball.
It's just like a light sprinkle, but I definitely think it's gonna pick up. The wind's starting to pick up too, so.
Unfortunately.
But
So.
we're here and it's gonna be a great day.
A great rainy day. I'm very excited. So let's go in and do it.
Update, it's been about an hour and we are now finally going into the theater. We just got off of Runaway Railway.
Oh
and
my
it was
gosh.
amazing.
It was so fun. We really loved it. It was like more like geared towards like kids, I think, but I still loved it because of course
was
it's
way
Mickey.
cool.
It was very cute, very like bright colors. It was so
I think
fun.
the trackless ride system is
Oh, it was so
much
funny.
fun.
I was
It's
like,
so cool.
wow, like going all over the
Because you
place.
don't know what to expect.
No,
And
so it was very fun.
I've been waiting because I know we've had this trip planned to come here at some point this year. So
Yeah.
I have not watched any POVs. I've tried to
I
keep
did.
it like under wraps. So to me it was like incredible and amazing.
Oh,
I
it was
loved
so
it
good.
so much.
We loved it. It was fun and it was totally worth the wait. And the line went by so
Definitely.
fast.
I think we waited about 75 minutes. It said
Yeah.
90, so it wasn't too bad today, especially for being a Sunday. So
Yeah, I loved it. I give it a zillion out of 10. It
it was
so fun.
way fun.
Way fun. Come ride it.
They've got a Mickey Snuggie.
All this stuff is way cute. I love it.
I love this shirt too.
Yeah, that's it too.
We just got in line for Rockin' Roller Coaster.
We just rode Rockin' Roller Coaster 2 times in a row.
2 times.
This is our favorite. We love it.
Round 3?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Okay, tell us about your Tower of Terror experience.
I rode Tower of Terror, but not really because the whole time I was staring at my phone to get a boarding group for Rise of the Resistance, and I got it while going mid-air. The ride was literally dropping, and I was like, joy, as I like went down. But I got the group, so that's good.
So we're in backup group 77, so hopefully we'll be able to ride today.
Right now their boarding group's like 45 through 50 something. So I'm hoping that we can ride it, but yeah, I literally got it as I was like falling through the air. So that was kind of crazy.
But hey, good work.
Thank you.
This little cutie thinks she's gonna beat me at Toy Story Mania.
I know I'm going to. I don't think it, I know it.
Oh, that sounds like a challenge.
So we're gonna go challenge each other in Toy Story Mania and then maybe hit Slinky Dog.
Sounds good to me.
Spend an afternoon in Toy Story Land.
I love it here.
Me too, it's really fun. I really want to see it at night with like the lights.
Yeah.
Because we haven't seen it at night, but it is really cool.
It is really, really cool. I just feel so small.
I know, you feel like a little toy.
Let's do this.
Alright, I'm shrunk down to the size of a toy and I'm ready to shoot.
I got her again.
You totally smoked me. What the heck?
Yay! That was so much fun.
My arm hurts.
Mine too. We stopped at Ronto Roasters.
Yeah, you guys, it is so hot today.
It's really hot.
It's not
very
even
humid.
sunny, it's just the humidity that's making it like, ugh. So we got some big glasses of water and of course our favorite.
Ronto wrap.
We got a Ronto wrap because they're the best. So,
And it's delicious.
we're gonna eat our Ronto wrap and drink our water for lunch and then I don't know what we're gonna do.
Figure it out.
We got a Rise of the Resistance boarding pass,
Yes.
as we said before, so we're waiting to see if we can do that, hopefully.
Yeah. Well, the way that they're going though, I would feel that we should get on probably in about an hour and a half to 2 hours is when they'll call our boarding group.
Yeah, I think so.
But we'll see.
We'll see, but for now we're gonna eat this wrap.
We decided that Ronto Roasters was not enough food.
I guess not. So we're trying a new Halloween treat.
Yeah, we went Halloween treat hunting. So
Yeah.
we got this lovely treat, which is the Bone Eclair at the Backlot Express. It was a chocolate eclair with a dark chocolate mousse and white chocolate bones. So
I like chocolate.
A lot of
so
chocolate.
I think it sounds pretty good, but it looks kind of weird.
Yeah, it doesn't look like a typical Eclair.
No.
I think it's supposed to because it's like Halloween.
Yeah.
So, you want to try a bite and see how it is?
Am I supposed to bite into it or cut it with my fork?
Yeah, I would just get a bite with your fork.
Oh no. It's kind of hard. It's really good. It's just straight chocolate.
Is it?
If you like chocolate, it's good. Yeah. It definitely is like the Eclair type of dough.
Oh, like the light and fluffy?
It definitely is. It doesn't look like it, but it is one.
Yeah, I don't think I've ever had a chocolate Eclair before. Like I've had it chocolate Eclair, but it was a regular Eclair with like chocolate glaze.
Yeah, it's yummy. You want to try it?
Yeah.
What do you think?
It's way good.
Yeah, I like it a lot.
It is very chocolatey though. Like super rich.
But it's good. You can try one of the bones?
Like food.
If I get it, will you guys share it with me?
That is good.
Is it?
Well, that.
What do you rate it?
Like out of best dessert of all time.
Like chocolate. I don't think that's around
I'd say 5 is average on that scale. So I'd say it's probably a 5 or a 6.
All right.
Pretty average, but it's a good
Try
dessert.
your pumpkin
Seems good.
straw. What is that?
We're doing some more treat hunting for Halloween.
Yep, we're headed down to Pizza Rizzo to get a Halloween treat.
Yeah, they're supposed to have a pumpkin cheesecake cannoli.
Which sounds super good.
I'm really excited to try it. So
we're gonna go get
speaking
that.
of, there it is.
Yep. What do you got?
I've got a pumpkin cheesecake cannoli with hazelnut praline something inside with some sprinkly stuff on the outside.
All right, give it a try. Oh my.
Pretty crunchy.
Is it super good?
Did you like it?
The filling. It looks really yummy.
Wow.
Super good? What do you rate it?
Cheesecake.
Oh, that's an 8.5. That's a good solid dessert. And it's gonna totally fall apart on you. I think the pumpkin and the hazelnut, like, they incorporate so well. And it really does taste like a regular pumpkin cheesecake, but with like a buttery, flaky crust and a really good crunch from the chocolate and the sprinkles.
Yeah.
It is so delicious.
That's way good. I love it.
Yeah, I definitely think this is better than the Eclair. Spot the Muppet. There she is. The boarding group has been called and we are in line to ride rides.
I'm so excited. It's been a long time since I rode it and it was so amazing, so I'm super excited to ride it again.
Well, we actually have never ridden the one at Disney World.
No, we've only ridden the Disneyland, so I'm curious to see if it's different, or it's probably something.
I'm guessing it's the same,
Yeah, I'm so
but
excited.
it's definitely something that I'm worth
waiting for.
It's definitely something worth waiting for and trying to get a boarding pass.
Even on Tower of Terror.
Did not realize what my words were today.
Okay.
So, English and words is hard.
Yeah.
Incoming transmission from Ray.
We just got off Rise of the Resistance.
As always, it was totally amazing.
It was phenomenal.
A couple of the little like animatronics were working quite right, but it was still like absolutely excellent. They just did like something a little different since it wasn't like working, which was
I thought,
still awesome.
Yeah, I thought it was really cool because
then they can still operate the ride.
Never seen it before, and and people can still get on the ride. So I think it's like a really cool idea. That if one of the animatronics isn't working, that they substitute it with a little part or like a little clip of something.
Yeah,
so
it was cool.
Very cool, very fun.
Still a 10 out of 10.
Highly recommend, of course. Get that boarding group. I would probably, honestly, if you want to sleep in and not get here right as the park opens and avoid that, it really wasn't too bad getting a boarding group at 2 o'clock. It's the best time here at Hollywood Studios.
What time is it?
It's dark time.
Oh yeah, it is starting to get dark. They're turning the lights on.
It's so beautiful. I'm so excited to walk down Hollywood Boulevard.
Me too.
Welcome to Disney's Hollywood Studios.
It's time to ride Slinky Dog. There we go. We're gonna power up! Oh no! One backwards! We're gonna go! Here we go! I don't want to leave Hollywood Studios.
I don't either, but I'm super hungry, so I do want to get dinner.
You know, our battery is going to die soon, so we are going to end the vlog here, but I hope you guys enjoyed today's day at Hollywood Studios.
I did.
I love this park so much. It is incredible.
We had a really good time.
All the different lands that they've incorporated in here are just amazing.
Yeah, it was a ton of fun.
We had such a blast, so hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more Florida adventures with me and Zoe. Bye!